Hi, I'm Dale Gibson from Caroline, Alberta. I have just received my leaf filter equipment put into my house on September the 22nd of this year. And don't know a whole pile about it yet because we haven't had any major rains or major anythings. But the bits of rain that we have had so far, definitely they appear to be working fine. When the wind has come up and the leaves are blowing off the trees, there are no leaves appearing on top of the leaf filter at all. So if everything goes well, I'm sure it will be an excellent product. I'm getting past the stage of wanting to climb on the roof and work on them. So that is a big thing to me, the fact that I do not have to worry about those eaves troughs filling up and problems coming on to the house because of in the future. That's basically what I was looking for, was something that I didn't have to worry about anything down the road. And of course, at the time when we decide to shift our residence, then we have the opportunity to allow owner number 2 to take over, and he or she does not have to worry as well.